In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Google Calendar site settings in Chrome. We're going to do this directly from your Google Calendar page, and the process is very quick once you know where to look. If you ever need to manage permissions for this website, like notifications or other browser-related settings, this is the path you'll use inside Chrome. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to your main Google Calendar dashboard page at calendar.google.com. Make sure the page has fully loaded so you can clearly see the address bar at the top of the browser window. This is important because the next option we need is located right there beside the web address. Now look to the far left side of the address bar. You should see a small lock icon, sometimes called the padlock icon. This symbol indicates information about the security and permissions for the website you're currently viewing. Click that small lock icon to open its menu. When the menu appears, you'll see a list of options related to the site. Take a moment to look through the drop-down and then choose Site Settings. Clicking this will open Chrome's settings page specifically for Google Calendar, where you can review and adjust how the site behaves in your browser. That's all you need to do. From your Google Calendar dashboard, you open the padlock menu and select Site Settings. If you don't immediately see the option, make sure you're actually on the calendar.google.com page and not on a different tab or page within another site. It also helps to click directly inside the Chrome window first so the browser is active and responsive. As a quick tip, site settings are useful whenever a web page isn't working the way you expect. For example, if notifications are blocked or a permission was denied earlier, this is the place where you can inspect and manage those settings for that specific website. Since you're opening the settings from the lock icon on the current page, Chrome automatically takes you to the correct site's configuration area, which makes the process simple and precise. Follow those steps exactly, and you'll be in the Google Calendar site settings area in just a few seconds.